Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can make a PlayStation 5 account. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Right here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications on this device. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And lastly, right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, go ahead and click on your profile icon, and then right here, you're gonna find the option to switch user. Click on switch user, and then go ahead and click on add user. Once you click on add user, here you're gonna find add a user to this PlayStation 5, and right next to it, you're gonna find play as one-time guest. So here under add a user to this PlayStation 5, you're gonna find sign in with your accounts for PlayStation Network or create a new one. Your data will be saved on this console for the next time you want to play. Go ahead and click on get started, and then make sure you click on I agree. So you're gonna be able to continue. Click on confirm, and then you're gonna be here. So you can just scan this QR code to sign in to your PlayStation account, or right here you can sign in manually. You can create an account, or you can skip and play offline. Click on create an account, and then once you do that, you're gonna be here in this page. Just go ahead and choose your country or region, preferred language, choose your date of birth right here. You can click on next, and then just keep following the steps until you create your PlayStation 5 account. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.